go.
Hi guys, this is Adam from Adrenaline Cycles again, coming at you with another video today. And this is an install video for our brand tree bars that we carry here and sell online and install on a lot of customers' buggies when they purchase them from us. Just wanted to go over, the highlights and what to look for, and just make sure you have a easy as an install as you can have, with a set of tree bars. So we'll go over a few things. We'll start with the tools and what you're going to have to do this project. First and foremost, you're going to have some kind of drill and a 2-inch hole saw. And what you need that for is because you're going to have to drill the dimples on the plastic so the tree bar will fit into the frame so it mounts securely, in the factory BRP frame location. Going on down the line, it'll come with a U-bolt and the 2 nuts to secure it to the back of the frame so there's no drilling any holes. Then you'll have 3 other bolts here with washers that are threaded into the tree bar. The tree bar itself has machined, machine lugs in there, so they're tapped and they match the bolts that you'll get in the kit with the washer, and it'll go through the frame into the tree bar and thread in. And it's a really good setup. We've had great luck with it, so we just continue to use that. And a 14 millimeter wrench, ratchet, whatever, a 14 millimeter, the wrench usually on a ratchet wrench works good. So that's all you got to have to install these guys. So we'll come back over to the round of the machine and we'll show you the dimples we're talking about having to drill out. On the X3 and most Can-Am products now, you can see everything's coming with dimples. We've highlighted them here because it'll be hard to see on film. But there's dimples as you look down your rocker panel. And here in the back, we see a lot of people make the mistake. There's one here and one just above it. Well, the ones above it's for the fender flare, the lower piece. So I'll see a lot of buggies, and if you look on the trail, you'll see this piece drilled out where they missed this, marking spot here. So we circled it, and our guys know that always the low one on the back rocker panel here. So just note, guys, look for the low dimple in your plastic. We'll cut with U2 Magic here to where we've already got the holes drilled in the panel, and then we'll start back up there, guys. All right, guys, so as you can see here, we got these drilled out. There's one more little spot that doesn't really require any drilling. There's a little tab on the inside here that has 4 little just prongs off of it, and you just take either a knife or a set of dike cutters, and you'll cut that little plug off. Real simple, real easy to do. We'll show you a picture of that here. All right, guys, we're to the point now. We've cleaned up our holes after we've cut them out. And we pulled the inside plug out so we could find and locate our rear bolt hole for the upper tree bar mount going into the frame. So at this point, you stick it in there and you start with the front hole first. On this one, you have to go from underneath the frame here, and there's a little cutout that you can see, and you'll stick the bolt up through the frame and start, about 4 or 5 threads in. Leave everything loose. Do not try to crank it down until all the bolts are started. And then you do it kind of like a tire, you'll take it a little bit in, like lug nuts. You just move your way around the 3 bolts up front. And you can see here in the video how we've left them loose. And with that being left loose, it affords you to, get everything good and aligned and pull in evenly and settle on the frame the correct way. So it offers the, the proper, install of the way they're designed with the cup around the tree bar itself to cup around the frame. And then you can look onto the back here. So you've worked your way around, tighten these 3 bolts up, and then you'll come to the back and you'll look up underneath here and you'll see the U-bolt that goes around the frame that rests on a flat plate. Once you install that, you can tighten that down accordingly and get everything cinched up and tight and ready to go. And once you've done that, guys, you have successfully installed one side of the tree bars. So, you know, obviously this is red on red and white and black. It looks really good. We have a bunch of colors in stock, and I mean, they work good. We've had these out for a few years and they work great. So if you're in the market for protecting your plastic and helping you keep your buggy looking good, the tree bars are really there to take the brunt of the beating, and you know, rocks and trees and anything else. They do really, really well. And then on the other side, it's just the reverse. Same process, you're just doing it on the driver's side, so no big deal. Remember guys, check your dimples, make sure you get this low one in the rear. You don't want to go to the high one, so you don't have to buy another panel. Outside of that, pretty straightforward, simple tools. If you like this video guys, remember, subscribe, like, and if you have any comments or anything, just ask them down below. We'll post some links for these tree bars that we have in stock, so you can click on those if you want to pick up a set. And if you guys like the video, remember, like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell, so we'll have that as well, so you can see all the videos we're putting up throughout the week.